Hi guys, what's going on? Back again for a new video, and today I just want to show you guys how to fit a cone air filter. Nice easy install on, and this will be going on to my mate Ivan's 2009 1.8 VAUXHALL ASTRA. So Ivan just popped to Halfords to pick up one of these universal air filters. It's 20 quid, they range from about 20 to 35, there's all different colours. It's a nice cheap and easy way to start modding your car. Right guys, so the first thing you want to do, just to make life a bit easier, is I'd go ahead and take the air sensor off, just pull the clip there, slides off just as easy as that. And then the next step to do is it's just a 7mm nut here, and just loosen that off, so it makes it easier to get the pipe off the airbox. Get it nice and loose. And then once it's loose and you've got a bit of slack on it, what you want to go ahead and do next is just pull it actually off the airbox itself. Can be a bit temperamental. Just like that. It's nice and easy. And then the next step is to literally pull the airbox up and it'll come off the rubber mounts that it sits on. I think there's 2 or 3 on this one. Okay, right, so as I said, pull it, the 2 back clips will come off just as so, and then like I said, it's a bit temperamental, but that pipe slides off just like that, and then you just need to wiggle it past, and just like that you get the airbox out, nice and easy. So all you're left, obviously, you've got the airflow pipe here, the main pipe, and what we're going to go ahead and do is actually just the cone air filter is just going to go on the standard pipe itself. If you want to get a different one, there are probably sites out there you can look for, but it depends. We're not going to put one on today, but we're going to put it straight onto this and see how it fits. So just grab it out of the box like that, take the crappy bag off, and that's what it looks like, just like that. It comes with the clip there, but if you tip it upside down on the inside, they do come with all the rubber seals, just in case, where it's universal obviously, it differs to what car you have. But it comes with all the seals and the clip just on there, so you've got some parts to work with, but we'll go ahead and we'll see what we use and what we don't. I think that should just slide. So as we found out, we don't actually need any of the rubber seals. It's a perfect diameter. So all you need to do is grab the back bit, and you just got to give it a bit of a squeeze to get it inside. It will go. It's, like I said before, it's temperamental, but you've just got to work with it. And just like that, it's on there nice. And then what you want to do, get a flathead or Phillips, they both fit on this screw. Go ahead and tighten the clip up, and I'll show you what's going on after. Yeah, sorry as well before guys, it's called a Jubilee clip. Mate Ivan's just reminded me, but you know, you forget words of parts as you go on. But last step is just stick the MAF sensor back on, just push it on, hear it click. You know. Right guys, so we're just going to do the sound. Ivan's going to start up the car and we're going to see what it sounds like. I'm pretty nice. Go on Ivan, mate. That sounds nice. Just like that. A lot of difference in sound, definitely. You get better airflow to the engine as well, so it's not a bad thing. But yeah, I'm quite surprised how it sounds. It sounds lovely. Also, guys, just a quick one to mention. When you do put them on, there is a bit of play, but you can grab, you know, here in Rob's Mods, we like our cable ties. So you can get a cable tie, and obviously where the original mount was for the airbox, you can stick it straight around this, get it around there, and it would just, you know, get rid of that free play. But with the bonnet shut as well, you shouldn't worry too much. I mean, it's not going to go up and down, but you might get a bit of side movement. But at the end of the day, it's not going to really damage your car. It could put a few dents in the filter, but I mean, it's a universal filter. I mean, you can pick up another one for cheap. So I mean, when I did have these ones on my car, I was putting a new one in every 4 months, 4 to 5 months. So it's not too bad.
There's an actual like
filter. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, as I was saying back then anyway, never mind about that. That's a universal cone air filter you can pick up from Halfords. £20 to £30 it ranges. You get different colours. I mean, there's red, silver, or as on that one, silver and black, which is, I think it's quite nice. It goes as well with the colour of the car, I think, which is quite nice. But like I said, they will fit on any car depending on the layout you have. But I mean, on most cars, I've done this onto about 20 cars now, and they fit on easy. It's just a bit of play, cable ties here and there, however you want to do it. But yeah, so just a quick one on that, show you guys how to do it if you have the same car as Ivan does, and if you're planning on doing the same, nice and easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.